Hello, hi, how are you? I hope you are doing good. Today I am basically gonna show you how you can fix this. But yesterday I was trying it on and I realized, like, you see that? I'll show you how you can easily sew in a strap in your wig. Because what happened with this wig, I was not precautious. I dried it out on a wig stand, which is the canva head, and it was a little bit too tight, and I did stretched lace. I really don't want to glue it down. I'm sorry. I admire all the girls who invest the time in gluing down. Physically, for me, it's impossible. And also the wigs that I'm creating for my clients, I suggest them to use tapes, but like, hands up to all the beautiful women out there who are doing that work, but that ain't for me. Anyways, back to the topic. So you see, what sometimes can happen, it can become like the loose bit is, this area is gonna stand okay, but this area is gonna like be flicking up, and we don't want that. Good option is to sew in a wig strap. Basically, go to the local sewing store and pick up some items as a bungee. I don't know how it's called, but you know, flexible strap. It's a wider one, a smaller one. I like the wider one. The area where you're gonna attach it gonna give more stretch to the head. You know, scissors, preferably a hook needle, but a classic needle will do as well. First things first, you need to angle it in the right way. The lace I want to sit nicely is here at the front, and where the strap is gonna go is here at the back. So instead of, I will definitely not sew it here. I have an interesting shape of head. It doesn't work. But what I like to do is I will go in this angle, and my strap definitely I'm gonna sew in a way where is the clips. I always sew where the clips are because they follow up the angle. Also, an easy way which you could do is put on the wig, and then when you're gonna measure it out for the strap, I'm gonna just use the pin I use to secure down the wigs on the camera head. So we talk about angle. This is where I want it to sit, and I want to go down. Yeah, so the middle part should be about here. And then what I'm gonna do, find the place with my finger and hook in that my mark here on the other side. From the mark, also, what I will do, leave the pin in, and now I take the stretchy bit, find where I place the pin, put my finger there, and I do this way. So I'm gonna place one side of bungee like there, go in an angle, stretch it just a little. It should be about 1 inch movement, and then you go in the area where you placed it. Next is cut it. Is the wig. When I'm talking, to take it exactly, this is the both sides, and remember to create the angle. This is my front. I need to create a line up with the back. It's going to be more like that here. This is very important, so make sure you do it straight. Now I'm just gonna fast forward while I do the blanket stitch. Quick tip when you make a knot is your finger, and then you go over it like that. You cross it, and then you make this kind of knot. Always create a little hook there. What it does, it's like an anchor. So you see what I do? Get it nice and even, smooth beginning. As I'm right-handed, I find it much easier to start from the left side, because then with my left hand, I hold the string this way and I sew it in here. So ta-da! She is ready. Let me show you the inside strap. You have done the right angle. It will go kind of parallel to the edge. Yeah, better is much more better and much more workable than it was. This is also another great option. This sits perfectly. The comb can be also the guideline, and this one I sewed more on the lace, so literally. It's a nice synthetic, and I use a lot of videos, and I need it in a tight fit. And at the nape area for here, I didn't show that I'm sewing it together. This wig cap doesn't have a comb. Then I literally sew in this piece. More, you wear it, you like put it on your head as a hat, right? And then just wear it. Yeah. I really like this way. But what do you think? Should I go a little bit shorter on this one? Or should I not? Okay. Just like that. Thank you for tuning in. Need more questions and I'll leave a comment.